After promoting the students, what are the next steps to enable teachers to start taking attendance and sharing homework on SchoolPad?
Thank you for the query, Mona ma'am. There are three important things you need to check after your promotions to the new academic year. The first one is checking whether the class strength for each class and the total number of students match according to the number of students in the school. To check this, go to the class strength report. Once you log in with your username and password, go to the Manage Classes module. Here, you can see the Manage Classes module. Now, go to the associated option and select the Class Strength option. Now, select the All Classes option from the Class section and click on the Print button. In the generated report, you can view the entire school and validate that the number of students, including both promoted and new students, is correct in each class. This ensures that class teachers can mark attendance properly. The second thing you need to ensure that the class teachers are assigned according to the new academic year. To do this, go to Manage Classes module. Here, you can see a list of classes. Click on the Edit option in the Action section of the class to which you want to assign the teacher. A module named Edit Class will open. Now, click on Assign Class Teacher, choose the name of the teacher from the list, and click on the Save button. In third step, go to the Teacher Subject Mapping module, and ensure that the teacher subject mapping is done according to the new academic year for each class. This step ensures that the respective subject teachers can upload homework for their classes and subjects. Now, select the class for which you want to map the teacher, and click on the Show Subject List button. Here, you can type the teacher's name to assign them to different subjects. And click on Save button. Following these 3 points will help you ensure that your data is all set and teachers can now start taking attendance and sharing homework for the new session. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.